Now we will learn about switch, and in this session we are going to learn what is switch, features and applications, different types of switch. So switch are networking devices operating at a layer 2 or a data link layer on the OSI reference model. They connect devices in a network and use packet switching to send, receive or forward data packets or data frames over the network. A switch has many ports to which computers are plugged in, as you can see in the display. When a data frame arrives right at a port of new switch, it examines the destination address, performs necessary checks, and sends the frame to the corresponding device. It supports unicast, multicast, as well as broadcast communications. So now futures of switches. A switch operates in layer 2 and data link layer of the OSI model, therefore, and it is an intelligent network device that can convinced as a multi-port network bridge. It uses MAC address, media access control, MAC means, to send data packets to selected destination ports. It uses packet switching technique to receive and forward data packets from the source to the destination device. It supports unicast, multicast, and broadcast communication. Transmission mode is full duplex, therefore communication in channel occur in both the direction at the same time. Due to this, collision do not occur. Okay, so switches are an active devices equipped with network software and network management capabilities. Switches can perform some error checking before forwarding the data packet to the destination port. So if we come across the types of switches, the first one is unmanaged, managed, LAN switch, PoE. So there are four types of switches are there. Unmanaged switch. These are inexpensive switches commonly used in home networks and small business. They can be set up by the simple plug-in into the network, after which they instantly start operating. When more devices needs to be added, more switches are simply added by this plug and play method. They are referred to as a managed since they do not require to configure or monitor. So in the practical session we are going to use unmanaged switch. Managed switch means they are costly switches that are used in organizations with a large complex networks, since they can customize to augment the functionalities of standard switches. The argument features may be the quality of service, like higher security levels, better precision and control, and complete network management, like this. Okay, so and next one is LAN switch, local area network. A LAN switch means which it connects devices in the internal LAN of an organization. So they are also referred to as an Ethernet switch or data switches. These switches are particularly help in the reducing network cohesions or bottlenecks. So they allocate bandwidth in a manager to, so that they will be no overlapping. When the data packets is transmitting, so there will be no overlapping. And then PoE switch. PoE means power over Ethernet. Switches are used in PoE gigabit Ethernets. PoE technology combine data and power transmission over the same cable, so that devices connect to it can receive both electricity as well as data over the same line. PoE switch offers great flexibility and simplifies the cabling connections. So in the next we will see how to configure switch by using Cisco Packet Tracer.